Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to learn domestic animals and pet animals names in English. Okay, let's start. This is cow. C-O-W cow. C-O-W cow. This is sheep. S-H-E-E-P sheep. Sh means S-H-E-E-P sheep. Goat. G-O go. A-T at. G-O-A-T goat. This is ox. O-X ox. This is donkey. D-O-N don. K-E-Y key. D-O-N-K-E-Y donkey. This is pig. P-I-G pig. P-I-G pig. This is horse. H-O-R-S-E horse. H-O-R-S means S-E horse. Camel. C-A-M-E-L mel. C-A-M-E-L camel. Next, this is squirrel. S-Q-U-I squirrel or R-E-L squirrel. S-Q-U-I or R-E-L squirrel. This is buffalo. Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A buffalo. L-O-L buffalo. This is rat. R-A-T rat. Pet animals. Pet animals are, this is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T rabbit. You can split in this way. This is fish. F-I fish means S-H. F-I-S-H fish. Dog. This is dog. D-O-G dog. D-O-G dog. This is cat. C-A-T cat. C-A-T cat. This is pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N pigeon. P means P-I. G means G-E. On means O-N. P-I-G-E-O-N pigeon. This is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T parrot. Otherwise you can learn in this way. P-A-R R-O-T rot parrot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Take care everyone. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.